jump on the supports. Kill the supports.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
McCree out mid.
The dragon awakens.
I'm scared of the sniper. I don't know where the fuck he is.
They're
going fast.
They're rushing through the building.
I've got turrets in there.
Got him. Got 3.
See through the dragon's
Man, we wiped them.
Damn, good.
They ran
Good
through
hold.
into all the turrets. Wow.
Yeah, dude, Symmetra.
Fucking Symmetra's great there. They're going right.
Up top, Widow up top.
Okay.
She's headshots.
Damn, it's 76 now.
Okay, he's low. He's really low.
McCree dead.
Winston
Monkey dead.
Watch out for the Widow.
Get the Mercy.
Mercy's really low. I killed 1.
I must reclaim my honor.
I've got my teleporter. I'm gonna go place.
Yeah, place it around the corner or something.
Widow spawned.
Boosted 76. Winston behind you guys.
Oh, I just got insta game. Hey guys, they're already on point.
McCree dead.
Okay, just
They're all over it.
Yeah, they had 3 ulties.
Objective.
Yeah, we just hold the forward point. They're just around the corner.
Oh my god, I can't change.
I must redeem myself.
What are you, glitched?
No, I was in the forward spawn, then it changed to not a spawn.
Oh, yeah.
Can a Pharah help a Mercy charge
Yeah,
roll
can
by
we get it
damaging
before they get
herself?
there?
I don't think so.
I'm
here.
4%
I'm not
to
sure.
a teleporter.
I have ulti also.
See through the dragon's eyes.
I don't know if we should have Symmetra.
Widow top
Boosted
Widow.
76.
How many ults we have? Okay,
60%.
Yeah.
We got 3 ults.
I've got a teleporter aim. Should I switch
I
though?
got my ult.
They're rushing.
I used ult.
Push.
Nice.
McCree dead.
I got Mercy before she red.
I think they're all dead.
I'm gonna hold
She
on
still
to
has
this metro
red.
for now.
Alright, I have my ult up, Hanzo.
Just try to use it to give us time. As soon as they get the first, just use it.
They're pushing. They're all together here.
Okay, you can use it now. Use it now.
Winston jumped in.
I got Seagull.
I'm gonna go for their Widow.
I got time.
Oh, you're nice. You stopped their Widow.
Okay, he aimed bots, he's aimbotting.
Got Winston.
They turned on me in the back. Boost the Widow in the back. Boost the Widow.
Heroes never die.
Can I get a shield?
I will.
The Widow's dead.
Just hold in the alleyway. Watch out left side.
The Widow's not dead. The Widow's one shot. And their Mercy's one shot. I pushed them far back.
Putting a ton of turrets in the big build back. The bar, whatever. Soldier behind us.
I got the
Shit, soldier above us.
I got him.
Soldier's dead.
we have
I
red.
used ult point. Ult point.
He's dead.
Seagull's real low. They come back.
I got ulti. I'm going
This
infernal.
might sting.
Seagull's dead.
Eyes.
Careful with the turret.
Listen, ulti.
Mercy's dead.
He's getting frozen, he's frozen.
Widow's dead. Killed their whole back line.
They're
Winston.
Pharah's dead.
Watch out on the
One
right.
charger left on the
McCree
teleporter.
just waiting to.
Mercy
He's dead, McCree dead. Mercy dead.
They switched to Tracer.
And Pharah. They got Pharah now.
Yep, fair in the top left. Window.
Yeah, sure. As soon as I get my
Left side, they're going through that.
help.
They ulted.
I'm ulting the point.
I will point as well.
We got Pharah behind him.
Got the Tracer.
Yeah, we got Pharah and Winston behind.
Monkey down.
Fair up top, McCree's hurt behind.
The teleporters.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give us some time.
Wait and spawn.
Okay.
Wait till Kudo. Alright, let's go.
I will not be defeated.
Watch out, top, fair up top.
Thank you.
Fair dead.
She's
Fair's
dead.
dead.
Can I get you?
Get on that point.
I'm ulting, I'm ulting.
I need heals really bad.
I fucked this high noon.
Oh, you pushed me up and I died at the high noon.
Seagull. Seagull
I
on
got
the right,
Mercy, I
Seagull on
got
the
Mercy.
right.
I ult the point.
Winston's low.
Seagull on the right.
Yeah, he's
Fish on the right.
Dead.
I must redeem
Fair's up top,
myself.
fair's up
They're
top.
behind us. But
And we've already beat them on stopwatch, by the way.
Oh yeah, we beat them
Something to
already
think
by 30 seconds, I think.
I have ulti up.
Marked
will
by
you
the
have your
dragon.
teleport shield?
69%.
Scatter.
How close are we to ultimates?
I got
84%.
Thank you.
Just
You're
push
gonna
him
have
back.
to. You're gonna have to use your favorite on your own. If they push it, you're gonna have to push it.
I have ult.
I got two.
Okay, nice. Let's go.
Got three.
Got 3. Yeah.
Nice ball, nice ball. They're rezzing.
Ult now. One card.
I'm running.
I'm dead.
I'm gonna go put down a teleporter.
Sticky bomb.
Back.
Okay, give up the first one. You can switch to Smith down.
Whatever, my god, I'm just in the fucking wall getting raped.
I'm just gonna ult this shit.
Payload has reached the checkpoint.
What do we want, Symmetra?
Lucio. Oh, send Yatta.
We got a tracer.
Alright, I'll go send
Never
Yana.
done.
The noose tightens.
JK, you got orb.
Lucio on the left. One. Oh wow, I got jumped by Winston.
Seagull dead.
He's caught out. Winston caught out. On your left. He's alone.
Hello. He's dead.
Tracer discorded.
I'm on point.
Hero dead. Can't even think of the names of the goddamn heroes.
Switch them.
Oh, I'm dead.
Clockwork stuck me.
Never
Lucio
done.
discorded.
Nice res.
He's half health.
The art of deception.
I'm ulting the right side.
I'm ulting.
We got a clockwork on our left. Tracer.
He's discorded.
It's real low.
Monkey on point discorded.
Monkey's alone. He's alone. Completely alone.
Monkey and Tracer.
Tracer behind us.
Dead.
He dead. He dead.
Tracer dead.
Nice job.
Push them back.
I knew.
There is nowhere to
I got Mercy to half health. Winston on me. Winston alone on me.
I'm gonna jump behind him.
Winston's hurt. Winston dead.
I killed their Mercy.
Lucio
Mercy
alone.
dead, Mercy dead.
Lucio on me.
Yeah, he's almost frozen.
Fucking face. JK, you have orb.
They're
Oh, the stun. The stun.
I'm dead.
Oh my god, he's 1 HP.
Double May. Double May. Go May.
60 seconds
I
remaining.
must reclaim my honor.
We did it in 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Let's do this. Let's delay as long as we can.
I have heal.
Oh, that was wrong.
Just shoot up walls over there.
Seagull down.
Enigma. These guys are alone right now.
Monkey down.
Res.
Resing.
I'm gonna ult, I'm ulting.
I almost have it.
What? My ult didn't go off.
How long have you pressed?
Good jump on it.
I pressed Q and
Nope.
my guy, I did the animation and the sound and everything, but it didn't go off.
Welcome to my
The
world.
Winston. I Winston ulted and it didn't go off. I heard the animation went off and the sound went
Oh,
off.
this play of the game is gonna be totally
Yeah,
sick, trust me.
I love how he calls out the character they play until they play Seagull. Well, everyone knows Seagull's probably going to be playing Pharah, McCree, Junkrat, right? That's pretty much it.
Good work in there, dude.
Seagull down.
I like how it switched to top formation.
Yeah.
Well, we beat them by 4+ minutes. If we're going like stopwatch mode, so we did it in 5:20. They did it in 9:40.
Excellent.
We beat them.
Pretty convincingly. I think that's definitely our map.
Yeah.
We have so
Well,
much
they-
experience.
They got
Yeah.
fucked really hard that